Dairy farming is crucial for India. It is not just an occupation, but a way of life for millions of rural families. The sight of cows grazing in the lush green fields is a common and comforting one, symbolizing the deep connection between the land and its people. It provides income and employment, especially in villages. Dairy farming is a significant source of livelihood, offering steady income and job opportunities to countless villagers. It helps in sustaining the rural economy and supports the financial stability of families. Starting a dairy farm can be challenging. There are numerous obstacles, from securing initial capital to managing the health and productivity of the livestock. New farmers often face a steep learning curve, dealing with issues like feed quality, disease control, and market access. But with hard work and smart planning, it can be very profitable. Successful dairy farmers are those who combine traditional knowledge with modern techniques, ensuring their farms are both productive and sustainable. Their dedication and strategic approach turn challenges into opportunities. This guide will help you start your dairy farm with low investment. We will show you how to make the most of available resources, minimizing costs while maximizing output. From selecting the right breed of cows to setting up cost-effective infrastructure, every step will be covered. We will focus on practical steps and strategies. Detailed planning and execution are key to a successful dairy farm. We will provide you with actionable insights and proven strategies to help you navigate the complexities of dairy farming. Dairy farming empowers rural communities. It fosters a sense of unity and cooperation among villagers as they work together towards common goals. Community dairy farms can be particularly effective, pooling resources and sharing knowledge for mutual benefit. It offers a path to self-sufficiency and economic growth. By reducing dependency on external sources of income, dairy farming helps rural areas become more self-reliant. This, in turn, stimulates local economies and promotes sustainable development. By embracing efficient practices, we can enhance productivity and improve livelihoods. Implementing best practices in dairy farming not only boosts milk production, but also improves the overall health and well-being of the livestock, leading to better economic outcomes for farmers. This guide will equip aspiring dairy farmers with the knowledge and tools they need. Education and training are crucial for success in dairy farming. We will provide you with the latest information and practical tools to help you get started and thrive in this field. We'll explore cost-effective solutions and sustainable practices. Sustainability is key to the future of dairy farming. We will discuss eco-friendly practices that not only reduce costs but also protect the environment, ensuring the long-term viability of your farm. Together, let's unlock the potential of dairy farming for a brighter future. By working together and sharing knowledge, we can transform the dairy farming landscape, creating a prosperous and sustainable future for rural communities across India. The first step in building a successful dairy farm is to buy good cows. This decision will impact your farm's productivity and profitability for years to come. You can buy them from local markets or through reputable dealers. It's crucial to check the cow's age, because younger cows have a longer productive lifespan ahead of them. Younger cows generally produce more milk and have fewer health issues compared to older cows. This makes them a better investment for long-term milk production. Always ask for the cow's milk yield history. This information is vital as it gives you an idea of the cow's productivity and consistency in milk production. Reviewing the milk yield history will help you understand how much milk the cow can give on average, which is essential for planning your farm's output. Look for cows with healthy udders and good body condition. Healthy udders are a sign that the cow can produce milk efficiently without issues. Inspecting the cow's body condition is equally important. A cow in good body condition is likely to be more productive and have fewer health problems. Certain regions and traders are known for offering competitive prices. It's worth exploring these options to get the best value for your investment. Research and compare prices from different sources. This will help you secure the best deals and ensure you're not overpaying for your cows. Remember, a healthy and productive cow is an investment in your farm's success. Taking the time to choose the right cows will pay off in the long run, ensuring a steady and profitable milk production. Cows need a comfortable place to live. Build a shed that is well ventilated and protects them from rain and sun. You can use low-cost materials like bamboo and mud bricks. Design the shed with proper drainage. This will keep the cows clean and healthy. Proper waste management is essential for hygiene and environmental sustainability. Collect and compost manure to create valuable fertilizer for your farm. A clean and comfortable environment promotes cow health and milk production. Remember, your cow's well-being directly impacts your farm's success. Starting a dairy farm needs money. You can get loans from banks or private lenders. NABARD Bank has special schemes for dairy farmers. Prepare a good business plan. This will help you get a loan easily. Explore government subsidies and grants available for agricultural ventures. These programs can provide valuable financial assistance. Financial planning and securing the right loans are crucial steps. With a solid plan and the right support, you can turn your dairy farming dream into a reality. Grazing grounds can really help in reducing feed costs naturally. By allowing your cattle to graze freely in lush green fields, you can significantly cut down on the expenses associated with purchasing commercial feed. Cattle grazing can lower your expenses on fodder. When cows feed on natural pastures, they get a variety of nutrients directly from the grass, which can be more beneficial than processed feed. Allow your cows to graze in open fields, and this will provide them with natural nutrition. Open fields offer a diverse range of grasses and plants that can enhance the overall health of your cattle. You can grow grass on your land, and you can also use alternative feed options. Planting your own grass not only ensures a steady supply of feed, but also allows you to control the quality of the nutrition your cattle receive. These include crop residues and kitchen waste. Utilizing crop residues like corn stalks and wheat straw can be an economical way to feed your cattle. Additionally, kitchen waste such as vegetable peels and leftover grains can be repurposed as feed. Implement rotational grazing practices to prevent overgrazing and promote pasture health. By rotating your cattle between different pastures, you allow the grass in previously grazed areas to recover and regrow, ensuring a sustainable feed source. This sustainable approach ensures long-term productivity. Healthy pastures lead to healthier cattle, which in turn can improve milk production and overall farm profitability. Supplement grazing with balanced feed to meet their nutritional requirements. While grazing provides many nutrients, it may not cover all the dietary needs of your cattle. Supplementing with balanced feed ensures they get all the necessary vitamins and minerals. And don't forget to consult with a veterinarian for expert guidance on cattle nutrition. Regular checkups and consultations with a vet can help you tailor a feeding program that maximizes the health and productivity of your herd. Section 6. Milk to market. Streamlining the supply chain. Once your cows start giving milk, you need to sell it. You can sell milk directly to consumers. You can also join a cooperative society. Companies also collect milk from farms. This saves you the cost of transportation. Establish a reliable milk collection system. This ensures timely pickup and prevents spoilage. Maintaining milk quality is essential for customer satisfaction and profitability. Explore different marketing channels to maximize your profits. Direct sales, cooperatives, and companies offer diverse options for selling your milk. Section 7. Data-driven decisions. Keeping track for success. Keep records of everything on your farm. Note down the cow's health, milk yield, and breeding dates. This data will help you make informed decisions. You can identify problems early. Maintain detailed records of expenses, milk production, and sales. This financial data is essential for tracking your farm's performance. Regular data analysis can reveal trends and areas for improvement. Embrace data-driven decision-making for greater efficiency and profitability. Section 8. Beyond milk, exploring value-added products. You can increase your income by making value-added dairy products. You can make paneer, curd, and ghee from milk. These products have a longer shelf life. You can sell them at higher prices. Invest in small-scale processing equipment to create value-added products. This allows you to diversify your offerings and tap into new markets. Explore local markets and connect with potential buyers for your value-added products. Consider online platforms and social media for marketing and sales. Section 9. Modernizing management. Computerizing farm accounts. Computerize your farm accounts. This will help you manage your finances efficiently. You can use cloud-based software. This will allow you to access your data from anywhere. Utilize farm management software to streamline operations. These tools can track inventory, manage finances, and generate reports. Embracing technology simplifies farm management and improves decision-making. It empowers you with real-time insights and enhances overall efficiency.